Hey, welcome back to the morning show. Wednesday, coming up on 6:51, Chemist Corner time. And Jesse Magic Genie Miller's in the house this morning, talking about catalysts.
I've had nicknames, but never that one.
Okay, well, good. Well, it's right there on the screen, so you're good to go.
Okay. All right. It's great to be back.
Thanks.
All right.
We appreciate you coming back.
Oh, no, I did miss it. Catalysts. Okay, catalysts are everywhere. We use them in your body. Okay, and we're going to talk about enzymatic catalysis on the next segment with some liver, but just to talk about what a catalyst is. What catalyst is simply is it's something that speeds up a reaction. Okay, and you have it in your car. You have a catalytic converter in your car, which basically takes the carbon monoxide that comes from your exhaust, adds another oxygen, so it's carbon dioxide, and that happens kind of slowly, so the lead that in there acts as a catalyst to speed that reaction up so that you have carbon dioxide coming out instead of carbon monoxide. And we show this in a couple different ways. One, we have the elephant's toothpaste, which I showed before. We'll do it real quick. This is hydrogen peroxide. Okay, now hydrogen peroxide, you pour it on your cuts or whatever else like that. Of course, you wouldn't want to do it with this because it's 30% hydrogen peroxide. However, hydrogen peroxide decomposes into water and oxygen. But it's very slow. Okay, it takes a long time. So we're going to add a little soap to make this somewhat exciting. Okay, so in order to speed that up, we have a catalyst. This is potassium iodide in this case, and the catalyst will speed this reaction up, and as you're going to see here in a second, it speeds it up quite a bit. Now we have the oxygen. It involves a lot of heat. Okay, there's a lot of oxygen in there, and that caused the bubbles to come up, and we call it elephant's toothpaste because it kind of looks like toothpaste.
That's warm.
Yeah, it's warm. You notice I'm wearing gloves, right?
You're the smart guy. You're the chemist. I'm just the guy here touching stuff.
If we want to see how that reaction works, we're going to do it again. Well, we're going to do it at what we call the Magic Genie, and normally we do this in a bottle you can't see through, but I wanted to show everybody exactly what's going on in here. So we're going to add some more hydrogen peroxide. Add some more hydrogen peroxide to this. Okay, and we're going to use a different catalyst for this. We're going to use manganese dioxide, which I know you don't get this like in your drugstore or whatever, but it is a fairly common thing. This is itching powder.
Oh, nice. Well, I'm going to scoot back from that one.
Okay, and we're going to the manganese dioxide acts as the catalyst in this case. Okay, I'll just put a little bit in here. There we go. That'll be enough, and we'll fold it up here so it doesn't make a big mess, and hopefully won't shoot this at the top.
Oh, well, that would be good TV if it did, though, right?
there goes Robert.
Robert and the crew are stepping back.
Okay, now you're going to see a lot of heat evolved, steam, as this goes to water and oxygen.
Yes.
Okay, there we go. And this is why we call it the Magic Genie.
Because it's in a bottle? I got it. That's right. Need Barbara Eden?
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Maybe not now. Maybe Barbara Eden 40 years ago.
Yeah, during the show.
That's right. So the one thing that's kind of neat doing it in one of those bottles is you'll notice that the bottle shrank.
It did.
Right, because these bottles, it's polyethylene terephthalate, and they take a blank and they blow it up under heat. So when you heat it back up, it wants to shrink back to its original form. But you can see that it evolved a lot of heat, turned that hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen, and it's kind of spectacular to look at.
Great. Coming up next, liver?
I'm going to show you how you can do some at home. So, you're just using home chemicals so the kids out there can do their science projects and stuff like that. We got some liver and some steel wool and some vinegar.
Cool stuff.
We're going to make some catalysts.
All right, Jesse's coming back. We'll put this segment on our website, onlyhomepage.net. Morning show, Chemist Corner. We'll be right back with the Morning Rush. Stay tuned.